Have you ever wondered why most retail traders get stopped out right before the real move starts? It's because the market hunts liquidity before it actually moves. But here's the good news. If you understand order blocks and how to properly use them, you can enter where smart money banks and institutions are entering. What is an order block? An order block is the last strong bullish or bearish candle before a major market move happens. Simply put, in an uptrend, it's the last bearish candle before a strong bullish impulse. In a downtrend, it's the last bullish candle before a strong bearish move. Why is it important? Because that's where big players have placed their heavy orders. How to find a strong order block? Not every big candle is an order block. We look for very specific characteristics. A strong impulse move happens right after the candle. The zone has not been tested yet, or only tested once. Once we've identified a valid order block, here's how we actually trade it. Steps to enter. 1. Wait for the price to return to the order block zone. 2. Look for confirmation. Strong reversal candle, pin bar, bullish bearish engulfing. Minor structure break on a lower time frame. After confirmation, you can enter. Stop loss goes just beyond the order block. Target the previous high-low or set a risk-reward ratio like 1:3. Managing the trade is just as important as entering. How to manage it? When price moves halfway to the target, move stop loss to break even. Secure partial profits at the first target. Let the rest of the position run using a trailing stop. Common mistakes in order block trading. Picking weak or invalid order blocks. Entering without confirmation. Rushing into trades without full setup completion. Trading inside choppy or non-trending markets. Order blocks can literally show you where smart money is getting in. But the real edge comes from patience and confirmation. Not every order block is tradable. You must filter only the best setups and wait for confirmation before pulling the trigger. In trading, it's not about trading more. It's about trading better. That's the real secret to success.